is the CSRA. It is Jess here, your local family-friendly realtor. So I wanted to jump on here really quick and do a video that is really important, and it's something that I get asked all the time as a real estate agent. And it's basically, when do I need to start working with an agent if I'm thinking of selling my home? So the answer is, as soon as you get the thought that you're going to be selling your home, work with a realtor. And I'm going to tell you why. So if your home needs renovations or updates, or you need to get it market ready, it's essential that you reach out to a realtor that you trust, know, and have verified to work with. And the first reason is your ROI. So the return on your investment is very important. What you put your money into matters, and a realtor is going to be able to tell you whether or not it's worth spending the extra money for the granite countertops for your specific house, or if that money should go towards something else. Number two is the market insight. We are in the market every single day. We know the trends, we understand the seasons, and it's really important that you work with a realtor from the beginning to know, what is important to buyers right now. Is granite still in? Do they really care about the carpet? What about paint colors on the walls? These are all things that we can help you answer before you put money into something or into your house and get ready to sell. Number three is going to be our contacts. We have contacts with vendors. We work with them all the time. You need an electrician? We've got you. You need a landscaper? We've got you. You need someone to tell you what the thing is in the thing? We got you. A realtor is going to be able to not only work with or send you vendors that we work with specifically, but if it's something crazy and out of the norm, I promise you there is an agent at our brokerage that we trust, know, and respect that is going to give us a contact that we can help you with if we don't have the answers. That's very important. And it's just, trust me, because as a homeowner myself and somebody who is renovating a house right now, it is really essential that you work with someone who has connections and who can get you hooked up with vendors that you can trust. The next item is going to be I already said market insight. So the next item is going to be the small things versus big things. So basically, how can we save you money? For example, maybe you don't need the whole window replaced. Maybe you can just replace the pane. That's way less expensive than going out and replacing an entire window. Little things like that, little tips and tricks of the trade, we know. And we know if it's worth putting your money into something and if it's not. So that's very important. And only a realtor is going to really know these things. And last but not least, it's going to be our ability to strategic plan. It kind of goes back to knowing the market. We are going to be able to help you set a timeline that makes sense. We know how long it takes contractors to finish work, regardless of what they tell you sometimes. We know how, what the market trends generally are. Obviously, we don't have a crystal ball. We can't tell you exactly what's going to happen in 6 months, but we can help you strategize and come up with a plan that will help you get top dollar in the amount of time that you need to get it done in. So these are some things that I kind of get asked a lot, and I just really wanted to share with you. It's really important that if you are thinking of selling your home, and you know it needs a little bit of work, or maybe you don't think it needs work, but you are just thinking right now, okay, where do I start? Start with going out and interviewing realtors and finding one that you connect with, one that communicates with you very well, a very professional one, and one that has a nice team behind them to assist. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. We want to honor all of the veterans out there and all of those that have gone on before us. my family and I are going to be doing a few different things this weekend, so it'll be a little bit busy, but I'm very excited about it. But I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Spend time with family, spend time with friends, and connect with each other. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.